reason.
Hey guys, long time no see. Today I'm going to be doing a braiding hair video, which some of you people really love and have requested. So today I'm going to do just that. I'm going to start by cutting up the hair because I want this hair to look like a bob. Like I'm really going for like blunt cut vibes. So since I'm going to be shortening it anyways, I'm just going to go ahead and cut into fours and then tease it out. You know the drill. This is a new part I'm going to add. Today I want to try and sew it with my sewing machine. So after you cut it all out, you're just going to pass it on your sewing machine, and for this exercise you're going to be needing the smallest stitch length and the tightest tension, and you're just going to sew through it. There's like no magic to it. I tried to use scotch to hold down the hair in place, but it was a disaster. So if you want to try this method, please, I beg you, just cut the hair and then take it directly to your sewing machine and start sewing. In this clip, I'm sewing like the wefts 2 times because I actually want it to be very secure. And at the end, I'm also going to show you guys how to extra secure it. So here is just a clip of me sewing it in. Also, I want to just like thank you guys. I see that we're almost at 5k, so thank you very much. I know that I'm very inconsistent. I myself, I have no excuses. I'm just tired of myself as well. So yeah, so you're just going to do all of that sewing, and then you always make sure that you double knot it at the end, like you backstitch so that it doesn't lose. So now we're actually finished with the weft, and then I'm showing you what it looks like when you do the 2 bundles or the 2 runaways. So these are the rest of the hair that I've done. As you can see, I did this in very small sections so that I don't confuse myself and it's not very bulky. Yeah, I'm just trying to show you guys that I tried to use Ghost Bond as a sealing method, but it didn't work. It was actually very sticky, but not the kind of results I was looking for. So the next part of this video is I'm just going to take you guys through with how I seal the end. So if you look at your wefts, you'll notice that one, either the hair is actually bent 2 times, or there's some kind of liquid that is holding it together. And is that liquid I'm trying to mimic here? The ideal thing to use would have been hair glue. I do feel like that one would have worked very well, but also because this hair is like green and hair glue is black, I do not want to take my chances. There's a white hair glue version, but I couldn't buy it in time for this video or see it anyway, so I'm going to use hot glue. What I'm doing here is I'm just going to use the hot glue and I'm going to put it towards the end of the hair, and then I'm going to just press it out so that it opens up. This way, if the hair has to go through the weft, like those small 2 lines there, it's actually not going to be able to pass through because now we have that hot glue hair that is like hanging onto it. So if you're trying to comb or brush this hair, it's not going to shed easily because of that. I also do want to say that if you're doing this, please don't do what I did here. What you should do is you should hold the weft up and then you should glue the weft then, and if possible you should bend it forward so that it closes on the red lines, like the sewing weft that you've done. It bends forward, not like smoothing out, because when you're going to be using this to sew, it's going to be very difficult. So yeah, I'm trying to comb the hair and then I'm just showing you guys the shading I have. Also, because I was initially going for a blunt look, this is where you actually cut your bundles now, and voila, this is our bone straight after you treat the hair. I have many videos on how to treat your human hair, so please, I beg, go and watch one of them. I will link it down below. When I treated the hair and I washed it, there were a lot of things I discovered. One was that the way I made this wig, I needed more hair weft, and also because I was experimenting with this procedure, I lost a lot of hair. So actually I couldn't do another whole weft, So I decided to curl the hair because when in doubt, curl your hair. And that's what I'm just showing you guys. I have a tutorial on how I curled synthetic and Kannekalon hair again on YouTube, so please go check it out. I'm going to link it down in the description box as well. Yeah, I'm done, and I'm going to spray it with water so that it air dries. When you want to curl hair, this is what you do. If you want a really in-depth tutorial, please let me know and I'm going to do one for you. But as you can see, the hair was really scanty at the top. You can even see what's going on better here. So I just sprayed the hair down after I curled everything up with flexi rods. I also have a flexi rod tutorial on my channel, so please you can just go and watch that one. And I think this particular curl pattern is not on there, but you can see the general vision. This is what your wig looks like after. Like, the curls were really so good. When you get your curls like this, please comb them out. Do not be like me and brush it out, because I kind of messed up the hair. Hey guys, so this is what the final look looks like. I brushed it out with a brush. Like, if you see in front here, if you just comb it out, it's going to look cute. If you brush it out, it's going to look messy. But this is the wig, this is the style. If you want a more in-depth tutorial, please let me know so that I can do that. Thank you guys for watching my video. It's been long since I did YouTube videos, so you know the drill. Please subscribe, leave a comment down below, share this video with your friends, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.